What if you could earn $100 a day, working from home, without any technical skills, without writing a book from scratch, and without ever showing your face? This is not just a dream. Thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI, you can now create, publish, and sell ebooks online, even if you have never written anything before. Digital products are booming, and ebooks remain one of the top-selling formats for a reason. With ebooks, there is no inventory to manage, zero shipping costs, and you can sell unlimited copies. They offer passive income, instant delivery, and access to a global market. Whether your topic is fitness, cooking, business, mindset, parenting, beauty, artificial intelligence and technology, side hustles, or finance, there is always a customer looking for valuable information. The niche you choose will determine your income potential. Some of the hottest ebook niches right now include artificial intelligence and automation guides, side hustles and money-making strategies, fitness and healthy living, mental health and self-improvement, skincare and beauty secrets, parenting and education, productivity and career growth, and meal planning and recipes. To find your perfect topic, use AI tools like ChatGPT. Simply ask, list 20 high-demand, low-competition ebook topics for beginners, and you will instantly receive a list of profitable ideas. Here is where the magic happens. You do not need to be a writer to create a high-quality ebook. Use ChatGPT to generate a chapter outline, then expand each chapter with detailed content. Claude AI can help you expand content naturally, while Notion AI organizes your chapters. Rephrase your text in a friendly tone. Add examples, checklists, and summaries, and then copy everything into Canva's ebook template. Export your finished product as a PDF, and your professionally designed ebook is ready to go. People really do judge a book by its cover. Use AI-powered tools like Canva Cover Maker, Kittle AI for beautiful typography, Midjourney for advanced illustrations, and Recraft AI for design consistency. For example, you can prompt, create a modern, minimal ebook cover for a productivity guide, bold typography, clean layout, premium feel. A premium cover will help your ebook stand out and increase your sales. No website? No problem. You can sell your ebook on platforms like Gumroad, which is super simple to use, Sellfy, which is great for beginners and includes a storefront, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, for reaching millions of readers, PayHip for affiliate-driven promotions, and even Etsy, where digital guides are in demand. Create your ebook once, and it can sell forever. AI makes marketing your ebook 10 times easier. Promote using Pinterest pins for steady traffic, TikTok faceless videos with AI voiceovers and stock clips, Instagram Reels created in Canva, and YouTube Shorts with AI B-roll. ChatGPT can generate viral social media hooks, captions, ad copy, email sequences, press releases, and landing page text, turning you into a one-person marketing agency. Let us break it down. If your ebook sells for $10, you need 10 sales per day. At $15, just 7 sales. At $25, only 4 sales daily. With multiple sales channels and AI-powered marketing, earning $100 a day is absolutely achievable. Start today, and your next digital income stream is just a few clicks away.